my smiles, it's Beata here again today, and it's never ever ever going to be hard just to smile. First, these are my items I'm using today to do my hair treatment before I wash and style my hair. I have been losing hair and just started to pre-poo with these. I have my wonderful applicator bottle, of course, Joy. Second item is my Jamaican black castor oil, mostly used on scalp to prevent hair loss. That's why I chose this oil. It also has antibacterial and antifungal, which promotes scalp health, and it's rich in linoleic acid, which will help me increase hair growth. The second oil I chose is avocado oil. It's very high penetrating power and won't sit on my hair. It has good minerals and vitamins like A, B, C, and E, and biotin, which is a mineral that can strengthen my hair. The third oil I'm using is jojoba oil because it helps to control hair loss by penetrating it to produce new hair follicles. It will also coat my hair to prevent dryness and frizziness and adds like a sealant. Jojoba oil. The fourth oil I'm using is coconut oil because it helps me to reduce my protein loss in my hair. My cuticles are not really strong because of my sickle cell, and so I'm using coconut oil. The fifth oil I'm using is an essential oil. It is tea tree oil because it is a cleansing, purifying oil that comes from the tea tree leaves. It's a great oil for stimulating hair growth and encouraging blood circulation in the scalp, and that's the reason why I'm choosing tea tree oil. I put the cap back on the bottle and then I shake it up a bit. While I'm shaking it, I'm just making sure that the oil mingled together, and then I let it sit for about an hour before I pre-poo. And if you want to see a video of what I do when I pre-poo, I'm going to leave a link below. It does the job. Subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.